Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Vellabox, my favorite candle subscription, one of my favorites. I love Vellabox. I've been getting it for a long time now. So Vellabox has candles from local artisans throughout the United States. They're all made, the candles are made in small batches, hand poured, free of any icky toxins, which surprisingly are in a lot of like commercial candles, which is icky. We don't want any toxins in our air. They make sure to use like really good quality ingredients, and they always smell freaking amazing and last so long. The burn time is phenomenal. Each month they feature a new artisan, and they have 3 different subscription tiers from $10 to $30. I do have a linking code I'll leave down below to save you $5 off your first box. So highly recommend if you're into candles. Totally go for it. It's a great gift too. And also now they have a scent profile, so you can let them know what scent you like, don't like, and you can customize your box. They're very eco-friendly, sustainable company. I love them. Like I said, I've been getting this a long time, paid for and in PR. So we open it up, this is what it looks like, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me just take a quick moment and say hi, welcome back, or welcome if you guys are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love boxes like I do, if you like my vibe, you want to stick around, I hope you consider doing so and subscribe. I do a monthly giveaway and I pick a random subscriber to give back to you guys to appreciate your support. So sometimes YouTube unsubscribes people, you know how that is. So if you want to take a second to double check while I take this little cute thing off. So they always give a little piece of paper here that has like a quote, and now they give you a Spotify playlist. Isn't that so cool? It says, "Be bold and take life to new heights. For the full experience, play our March playlist on Spotify." I'm going to set that on right over here so I do that later. So we're opening up the $30 subscription, and I totally forgot that, oh, sorry, I get a little excited, especially when I'm like genuinely excited, which I always am, but they partnered with Scentbird this month. So we get fragrances from Scentbird, which is a subscription itself too, to match the candle preference. You guys, I totally forgot about this. They sent me an email a while back and told me about this collaboration. I always like do my unboxings live, so I don't know, I just opened it right now for the first time with you guys. So super exciting. Every month they do have work with another company outside of the candle company to give a free like bonus goodie. And this month we get a 30-day perfume sample from Scentbird that matches your scent profile that you chose that I was telling you about. And oh my god, that's so cool. And the candles come in this adorable canvas bag. The canvas bags are different each month. Isn't this one so cute? You guys, I love Vellabox. This is super exciting. Yes, a surprise item. Luxury perfume with a case, so up to a $32 value. I totally forgot about this. I'm so excited. But let's start with the candle, okay? Collect myself. So we have Fresh Linen, all natural soy. This is by Hardiman Home. I cannot wait to take a sniff. And I did get to choose this when they emailed me a while back. I'm super excited. Let's see. Oh my god, it literally smells like fresh linen. So good. And it's like something about this like spring, like you have the windows open, you're air drying your clothes. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. Let's see if we get some notes. So here you can see what all of the 4 options are. So there are 4 different scent profiles, and you can scan the QR code for repurchase or just to get taken to their website. So for Fresh Linen, I remember talking about this with my friend. I was like, what does ozone smell like? Because Fresh Linen, the notes are ozone, jasmine, rose, lily, and woods. And okay, ready guys? Take a deep breath in. I'm going to say what the description is so you can imagine how it smells. Okay, it's the beginning of a new season and the perfect time to start fresh. Let this be a sign to get to spring cleaning, then light your fresh linen candle when it's all done. Yes. I love it. Oh my god. So this is in the fresh collection. And then the other scent profiles are herbal and citrus, woodsy, and floral. I love this so much. So Hardeman Home is founded by Kendall. And oh, she saw her nephew have an allergic reaction to candle after candle, even ones that claimed to be clean. So she decided to make her own, free of phthalates, paraffin, toxins, and most allergen triggers. That's so cool. It's based out of Texas. Nice. And then let's move on to our Scentbird items. So it talks about it here too. So Scentbird subscription box collab. That's so cool. I don't think I've ever seen 2 subscription boxes collab together. Have you guys? I think that's so cool and fun. Well, obviously I love subscription boxes. This month we are so excited to team up with fellow subscription box Scentbird to level up your scent experience. Scentbird was born out of frustration with the perfume graveyard, expensive bottles of perfume collecting dust on your dresser or cabinet. As a practical and exciting alternative, Scentbird subscribers receive a 30-day supply of an authentic designer or niche fragrance of their choice straight to their mailbox every month. It's a great way to discover new fragrances without committing to a full-size bottle. Yes, and they have a code to save 50% off your first month of Scentbird. I got Scentbird way back in the day, like 3 years ago or something like that. So it comes in this case, it's reusable, and you just twist it, and then you can pull it out. So the scent I have is by Sanctuary. I like their clothes. I'm pretty sure it's the same brand. So this is like a cruelty-free brand too, because I know not all perfumes are considered to be cruelty-free, but it all depends. It's all complicated. It's all personal belief preferences too. But for me, I like to have cruelty-free items, and I know they are. So this is their Vaquita Dolphin perfume. Oh my god, I'm so excited to smell it. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Vaquita Dolphin. But let's see, are the notes on here? Because I remember reading the notes of it. I was like, yes. Yes. So this is a surprise item like we've never done before. And there's 5 fragrances you could have gotten, and it comes with a surprise color case and surprise perfume, but they try and match it with your preferences like I was saying. Okay. Oh my god. Yes, I know. Oh my god, you guys. It smells so freaking good. The notes of it, I don't see it on here unless it's, oh, here it is. Good. Okay, because I remember reading it in the email I got and I was like, I need this. Oh, there's a dolphin on it. Oh. So I'm so excited that they gave this to. This is probably, I don't even care. I have to read this to you guys. This is so awesome. So it talks about the notes in here and everything. So this is what it looks like when you get Scentbird, I believe. So as a nod to the warm coastal waters this elusive creature calls home, the Vaquita Dolphin blends an aquatic sea salt accord with fresh water lily, while punchy red currant berries, juicy pear, and cedarwood round out the scent. The result, a fragrance, is enigmatic, am I saying that right? And playful as its namesake. Oh my gosh. Anything that says like coastal in it, I know I'm gonna like the scent, but this is so good. This is better than I even thought. It has, yeah, juicy pear, red currant, berries, water lily, sea salt accord, and cedarwood. Oh my god. And they give back to whale organizations, charities. That's awesome. SaveTheWhales.org. And it says, built for the conscious consumer, Sanctuary was created to help raise awareness and money in an effort to help save endangered species. So I don't know, maybe this isn't the clothes brand, doesn't matter though, but the brand creates clean, conscious, socially responsible fragrances that are inspired by an at-risk animal and its habitat in an effort to tell its unique story and help save it from extinction. Proceeds from each scent will be donated to organizations whose life mission is saving these endangered animals. You guys, this is, I've just been wearing like oils and stuff, like this, I haven't had like an actual perfume that I've been wearing in a long time. This smells so freaking good. And the candle smells so freaking good. Is this like the best Vellabox ever? Maybe. What a cool idea to collab together. Oh my gosh. You guys have to let me know what you think. Did you guys get this this month, and what did you choose? Oops. My shirt untied. Not like it matters, you can't see. I just had it like rolled up. But I loved it. I'm so excited. There's my baby Emmy. You woke up from your nap. Did my loud excitement wake you up, Booba? But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I feel like I was too excited, but that's how I am. So if you guys are new here, I'm very excitable when things are really good, like I think this box was. And again, if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go, and that means I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I hope you're safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.